Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 15th, and this is my analysis for the Euro US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner at the end of the video, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So, anyways, yesterday was a very sideways day. I mean, very, very sideways. We never broke any structure to the downside. We never broke any structure to the upside. This right here is the last swing low before it went up and made a new swing high. So, anything that happens in between these two lines, we have to assume is just very corrective price action. The trend is definitely up on all the higher time frames. So, as long as it doesn't break down, as long as it doesn't break this structure down, I personally would still be recommending longs. So really, I mean, like I said, if it continues the uptrend, great. All the other higher time frames are in an uptrend, so I definitely would still be recommending longs in an uptrend. If it does decide to go down and break down, which it definitely could, then that's fine also, because at that point I'll start looking for shorts at the end of pullbacks. So I'm either waiting for more long opportunities, or I'm waiting for a break of structure to the downside to start looking for shorts at the end of pullbacks. Either way, doesn't really matter to me. Either way is fine. We just need to realize that anything that happens in between these two lines right here very easily could just be a correction to the higher time frame uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.